Hi everybody, I'm Leslie and my channel is called Midlife and Nailing It. If you could quickly hit the subscribe button for me, I'd really appreciate it. You could also hit the notification bell so that you know when I post a new video. I'm going to try to do 3 videos a week. On Monday, I'll have for you a What's for Dinner video, and I plan on doing those every Monday. So if you like recipes and meal ideas, meal planning, that sort of thing, I'll be doing that type of video each Monday. So stay tuned for that. Today's video, I am going to do an Erin Condren unboxing. So if you like any sort of planning, you might want to stick around. It's my favorite planner. I've tried other planners in the past, and last year I wavered and thought I would try the Happy Planner. Happy Planner didn't make me so happy, but maybe it makes you guys happy, and that's super cool. You guys do your life. If you love Happy Planner, go for it. But I prefer the Erin Condren Planner. So I'm going to do an unboxing and tell you everything that I love about it. I'm also going to include down below in the description box some of my favorite planner people that are all about planner. Their YouTube videos, that's all they do really. I want to make sure that you guys have that information if you are a planner person or you really love Erin Condren planners, whatever. I want to include them as well so that you have somebody to watch. They do the Plan With Me's every week. I won't be doing that on here. I'll probably show you my new Erin Condren planner each year, and maybe at the end of the year do a quick flip through. But I'm not all about putting my personal information out there. It kind of weirds me out. Having said that, there is nothing wrong with people that do that. I watch them, so I think it's super cool. And like I said, I will include 3 or 4 of my favorites in the description box below, so be sure to check them out if what you are looking for is a planner person that does everything planner on YouTube. Stay tuned and I will show you everything I love about the Erin Condren Planner. Okay guys, so this is the box that the Erin Condren Planner comes in. It's super heavy duty and a great place to store your planner. I know at the end of the year I keep my planners, so it will be nice to be able just to put it in this box and put it up for storage. Okay, so I chose this cover. If you buy an Erin Condren planner, there's lots of covers to choose from. It also comes with the detachable ruler that you can use in your planner, and I went with the silver coil. When you open your Erin Condren planner, this is what it looks like. There's a design on a page that's kind of a cellophane page, if you will. You can see your title page through it. It's super pretty. And it's completely transparent with a design around it. This is your title page where you can put your name. Okay, so in your Erin Condren planner, you will have quote pages throughout. There are 2 right in the beginning. And next you have an overview calendar that covers July 2019 through December 2020. So that's nice to look back on while you're planning. Following, you have a note page that you can use for whatever you want. And then you're getting to the month sections. For this month, that is the quote box. And then every month has the section for notes with the dotted lines. Each monthly section comes with a summary page where you can list birthdays, monthly goals. You'll see there's 4 bulleted dots there to list some goals every month. Below is a note box to use whatever you'd like. I'll probably list the books I'm going to read. And at the bottom you have a section, a note section with the dotted lines. Now you're coming to your monthly calendar, and on this side there is a place for notes. You're looking at the weekly spread. I really like how they've done the boxes at the bottom. That's new, or if it was new last year, I didn't have one for last year. So anyways, at the top here, it is split up into 3 parts. I put my planning for the morning in the morning part. That's how I do it. The middle section I use for the afternoon, and the bottom for the evening. It also includes the little calendar there at the bottom this year. And then you have places to take notes. There's headers at the top of each little note box. That's new. It used to be just one big note rectangle, and instead it lines with the vertical. So yeah, so you have each week is set up the same way. And then that's how the sections look. February, March, on and on. It's set up exactly the same way. After the monthly weeks, there's some note sections. And this is just with the solid lines. There's quite a few pages like that. And then they have a few pages that is the light dotted lines. And I was just showing you the dots there. Next, they have a couple of pages that are for coloring if you'd like. The following page is some kind of a note-taking page. I haven't seen that one before. I'll do something with it, but I'm not sure what. They have a Let's Keep in Touch section where you can keep contact information. The next page is pretty awesome. It is actually a calendar for 21. So the cool thing about that is if you have any plans that you need to note during 2020 for the upcoming year, you've got a section for that. And then you have some note section at the bottom. Next, you come to the sticker section. They've got some tabs, some hexagon tabs, teardrop tabs, arrow tabs, all kinds of tabs there. The foiling on that is really pretty, and the coloring matches the book that I chose in neutral color. And then it looks like they've got some labels and more tabs, and they have some header stickers along with habit tracking stickers. The next page of stickers have happy birthday. There's some holiday stickers in there. I see a bat and weather stickers, all kinds of things like that. I get a lot of my stickers from Etsy. They have a lot of planner stickers on there, and it's kind of a women supporting other women type situation. So be sure to check that out if you're into planning in any sort of planner. And then we've got some more labels in the color scheme. You can get a colorful Erin Condren planner. They're gorgeous. I go with neutral because I'm more of a functional type planner, and I like to use my own stickers and things. The next thing is their heavy duty deep pocket folder that I love every time I get an Erin Condren planner. There's a folder on the front, or a pocket on the front rather, and there is one on the back as well. It comes with a pocket calendar, well, not really pocket, I guess purse calendar or backpack, whatever you could shove somewhere. There is a line for each day, is how this little purse calendar is set up. So there's a little line if you need to put an appointment down for February 1st or 2nd or 3rd, whatever. And then also in there is a contact page, which is super important to keep on you in case something should happen. Can't trust cell phones. And then on the back is, of course, all the important days to remember. that come in most calendars. Erin Condren does add dates that are important to women, like National Breast Cancer Day, all kinds of stuff like that. So that's my Erin Condren planner. I hope that this helps anybody that might be looking for a planner or just likes everything Erin Condren. Thanks for watching.